This is the new Oraimo SpaceBuds, their new flagship, best of the line earbuds for 2024. And just like we do it, today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Let's get it. To begin with, let's check out what comes in the box when you decide to pick one of these up. When it comes to the unboxing experience, you always get a premium experience when it comes to Oraimo devices. And this has a familiar looking package, a smaller box inside with the charging cable, extra ear tips, and the manual. And for the first time, I actually had to read the manual because this earbud comes packed with features that you can only learn about if you decide to check out the manual. But you probably might not have to, because that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to let you know everything about it. Now let's talk about the design. So we have here a lunar eclipse inspired design. It's an all plastic build with what looks like waves all around the top cover. The case feels very nice in hand, no sharp edges, and you can find the charging port at the back side of the case. To open this, all you have to do is to slide the case up, then the buds are revealed. An extra feature Oraimo added here, personalized RGB lighting, and this is actually customizable from the application. You can change it to whatever color that you want depending on what the buds are currently doing. When it comes to the SpaceBuds, these are familiar designs with the Oraimo branding on the stem. It fits perfectly in my ears too, and I think most people are going to love it. Like, it's never going to fall. Depending on whatever you decide to do with this is going to stay right in your ears. And it's IPX4 waterproof, which means if you like to work out, this can actually withstand splashes, rain, and anything like that. One of the best earbuds when it comes to working out, because it's going to stay in and it can take some sweat and it's going to be perfectly fine. The top part of the stem is the touch sensitive area, giving you the options to touch to control, playback, and a lot more. But they didn't stop there. There's this new functionality that I found whilst reading the manual, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Obviously, Oraimo has introduced something that I've never experienced before, the wide area tap. Once you have your earbuds in your ear and you go into the application and you turn on the wide area touch, you don't necessarily have to tap on the earbuds to skip or play tracks. You can literally just tap your ear or the top part of your ear, and this is going to play or pause your media that you're listening to. This is so cool. All you have to do is just tap your ear, this side of your ear, just tap it, and this is actually going to play or pause the music that you're listening to. Isn't that cool? But first, when it comes to music controls, you can tap once to play or pause, tap twice to skip the track, or tap 3 times to go to previous tracks, and you can tap 3 times to switch between active noise cancellation on these. They give you the transparency mode, off, and active noise cancellation. And active noise cancellation on here, guys, is one of the best active noise cancellation I've ever experienced in any Oraimo earbuds. It works really well. It does an amazing job at turning down your background noise. So when you're listening to music, watching videos on this, especially when I was in the bus, the noise was literally almost non-existent. The 50 decibel hybrid noise cancellation literally turns the world mute. And if you're the type that likes playing games, they actually have the low latency mode. When you turn on the gaming mode, by tapping this and hearing the beep 4 times, this is actually going to make it very suitable for you to play games, because there'll be low latency between your device and the SpaceBuds, immersing you in the experience and giving you one of the best feeling when you're playing your games. And if you're overwhelmed by all the touch functionality, you can actually find all of them right in the application by opening it, go to touch controls, and you can see all that you can do right in the application. So make sure you check out the Oraimo app when you get one of these. For batteries, we have a 650 mAh battery found in the case and 76 mAh found in each bud, and you can get up to 11 hours of use. The case provides an extra 29 hours with active noise cancellation off, and get up to 8 hours of use, and the case provides about additional 21 hours with active noise cancellation on. And when you're charging this, it can fully charge in about 1.5 hours. Meaning when you're going out during the day, going to work, going to school, anywhere at all, you can actually have a whole day experience on a single charge. The case is definitely going to give you the extra juice that you want. Now to the part you guys have been waiting for. How do these actually sound? We know it fits very well, but how does it actually sound? And I can confidently tell you that these are one of the best sounding earbuds Oraimo has made yet. It sounds really good with punchy bass. The mid-tones are very clear. You can literally hear almost everything when you have these on. Listening to music is so fun. If you're the type that likes to play your music very loud, you probably might not have to turn this all the way up. It sounds very good in your ears. The 11mm dynamic drivers on here are doing an amazing job. They are pushing all the ways for you to get the best sounding experience on these. These are really cool. Now let's talk about the mics. How do the mics sound? How do they actually sound when you're making calls? We're going to step out and test that, and let me know what you think about that. Okay, so this is a microphone test. The audio that you're currently hearing is from the SpaceBuds. As you can see, this is what your friends are going to hear when you're on a phone call or anything like that. I listened to this once and I think it actually sounds really good. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like the audio that you're hearing? Let me know in the comment section down below. You even get dual connectivity on the Oraimo app. You can actually connect two devices so you can switch anytime between devices without having to disconnect and reconnect every time. You can also touch and hold the left earbud, and once you hear 4 beeps, this is going to activate your voice assistant. So even if you use an iPhone, do this and you're going to activate Siri. If you use an Android device, do this and you're going to activate Bixby or whichever Android device that you're using. Oraimo didn't stop there. They actually have customized voice prompts that you can actually set up through the Oraimo application. There's literally nothing Oraimo can do when it comes to their products. They give you the best quality device for the price, and these are literally one of my favorite earbuds right now. So if you're in the market of picking up an affordable but very good sounding earbuds, you should definitely look into the Oraimo SpaceBuds and you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to put the updated prices in the description down below because Oraimo is always running promotion. So you're definitely going to get it at a very cool rate almost every time. So check the description for the price updates if you want to pick one of these up. And as usual guys, share this video with anyone that you think will find this useful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as usual, stay liquid and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.